Hi there. Welcome back. Today, we have Miss Mega and Even with us.
Oh my
Evan is a
God.
very energetic boy, but his energy drains off when we talk about ratio and proportions. Let's get to the bottom of this and help him fly. You can too.
A ratio is a relation between two things in terms of quantity. So, we can say that a ratio expresses a proportion. When we say ratio, we mention it as one thing to another thing. There are 26 students in a class. 15 of them are boys. What is the ratio of boys to the students in the class? We first write boys to total students in this way. And then write 15 to 26. Here's one for you, Evan. Give it a go.
For this, I would write bananas to other fruits. We have 12 bananas and 24 other fruits. So I write it as 12 to 24. I can actually simplify it further to make it 1 to 2.
What about this?
For this I will write nurses to the total staff. Then, 12 to 37, right?
Don't rush, Evan. The nurses given here are 25 and not 12. So, our ratio is 25 to 37. Got it? Let's learn how to do these questions. Here we have to share 125 pounds in the ratio 3 to 7. We add the numbers in the ratio together to get 10. This tells us that 125 has to be shared into 10 parts in total. We then divide 125 by 10, which gives 12.5. One part is 12.5, so 3 parts will be 37.5 and 5 parts will be 62.5. Then we write the final answer in this way. Here's one for you.
140 apples are to be divided in the ratio 3 to 5 to 6. We will first add all the ratios, which will give us 14. Then 140 divided by 14 will be 10. So each part is 10. 3 parts will be 30, this belongs to Neha. 5 parts will be 50, which belongs to Aaron, and 60 will be Ethan's. We would then write them down as a ratio. That was easy.
You caught on really quick. Good job. In such questions, we first write them down as ratios and then check how many lots will one quantity go in the corresponding quantity. We will multiply the related ratio with the same number. In the first question, we times both 6 and 8 with 8, as 6 times 8 is 48. In the second case, we will multiply both quantities with 6, as 20 times 6 is 120.
I would like to try these. These questions are a bit different. In order to find the answer, I would have to first find out how much does one ticket cost. I can do that by dividing 8 by 6 is equal to 1.33. Then I will multiply 1.33 with 51 to find the answer. A popular exam type question is about ingredients in a recipe.
That is true. We find various applications for ratios and proportions in daily life.
We hope we have given you a quick insight on what are ratios and proportions. If you would like to have an in-depth understanding of the topic, give us a call. We will be happy to assist you. We will be back with another quick video. Until next time, adios.